Hello and welcome to the November cosplay progress vlog. It's been a while since I've made one of these. I had some health concerns going on, which is why I haven't been filming very much, but thankfully those seem to be taken care of for the time being, so now I am back to working on cosplay. This is the start of Malon from The Legend of Zelda. The skirt and scarf are done, but still have to make the rest of her accessories and shirt. And then over here, I started working on Jester from Critical Role. As you can see, this is still very early on in the process, and there's not a whole lot on the dress form so far. I also finally finished the Sarah Sanderson costume. I definitely missed making it in time for Halloween, but while not completely accurate, I'm still pretty pleased with how it turned out. Since the last time I filmed, I've gotten a bit more done on Malin. I've finished her shirt and also finished her apron. Now the only things left to do are her belt buckle, and her brooch. As for Jester, not a whole lot of change on her. Everything that's on here is just pinned to the dress form except for the cape, but hopefully I'll make some more progress on her soon. It is now too cold for the location I had planned on using for a Malon photo shoot, so she's been set off to the side, quite literally, she's over there, and I busted out Daniela Dimitrescu from Resident Evil Village. Jester is also coming along. I finished the clasp for her cape, so now the cape is 100% done. I made one of her earrings and also made her skirt. I added the lace cape to the back of the dress, so now Daniela is 100% complete. I had a few snow days to work on things, so now Jester is complete as well. Now that those two more time-sensitive costumes are done, I am back to working on Malin. I made her belt, and that is where I'm going to end this video since it is now January. For more cosplay videos, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.